your outdoor space into the blooming paradise with the stunning garden flower ideas. Whether you are looking at vibrant color, create a cozy corner, enhance your outdoor vibes. This video has all the inspiration you need. Watch now, discover creative ways to arrange flower and make your garden the star of neighborhood, perfect for any space, big or small. Are you ready to turn your outdoor space into the breathtaking floral retreat? In this video, we are sharing some of the most creative and eye-catching garden flower ideas inspire your next outdoor project. Whether you have a garden, small patio, and cozy balcony, these ideas will help you add the charm, the elegance to your space from bold and colorful flower agreements, easy tips on the maintaining seasonal blooms. We are got the something for every garden love. Flower not only enhance the beauty of your home but also create the calming atmosphere at soothes the soul. This video is perfect for your planning garden makeover. Want to add the splash of color to your space? Are simple looking for gardening inspiration? We included the tips to how to pick flower and low maintenance and perfect for all weather conditions. If you enjoy this video, don't forget like, subscribe, home decor stunt for the weekly ideas on home decor, garden and live projects. Hit the bell icon. Transform to your outdoor space today. These creative and easy follow ideas. Watch till end of some bonus tips and let now your outdoor favorite colors and the flowers and comments below. Bring your garden to life. These stunning flower ideas, whether you are seasoned gardener or just started, this video is packed for the creative tip transform to your outdoor space. From bold and colorful bloomings to elegant agreements, we'll show you how to make your garden to star of your home, perfect for patios and balconies and backyard. These ideas to granted to inspire. Here some share simple and techniques to ensure your roses stay healthy and vibrant and full of beautiful blooms. Thought out the ultimate guide, the watering and feeding your flower. Proper watering and feeding are the keys to living flowers. To learn those don't along with these tips to how to avoid the common mistakes and to keep your garden to full of life. Outdoor aesthetics, small spaces, garden, backyard, places and green and living the eco-friendly garden glow and vertical garden ideas too, and rustic garden vibes, modern garden design ideas in this video. I hope you're doing well today. Don't forget this like and subscribe my channel and like my video. Your opinion in comment below. Show you me how to maybe I help you. Thanks for watching.